Think math.
4 people have 2, 5, 3, and 6 sweets. The mean is 4, 16 altogether divided by 4. But what is that for? Nobody is holding 4 sweets. Why should that number stand for all of them? Let them share the sweets out. The one with 6 gives 1 to the one with 2. The one with 5 gives 1 to the one with 3, and so on. Always from a taller pile to a shorter one. When no move is left to make, all 4 have the same amount. What each of them is holding then is 4, which is the mean. The important part is that we only moved things. No sweet was created and none was thrown away, because whatever one hand gave another hand received. So the total is 16 before the sharing and 16 after. Only the shape flattened. The amount never moved. Now the formula appears on its own. Once it is level, all 4 piles are the same height, so the total is that height added 4 times. Read it backwards and the height is the total divided by 4. That is where the formula we memorized comes from. It was never a rule. It was the leveled height. A property comes with it. The amount sticking up above the mean and the amount missing below it are exactly equal, because what we shaved off the top is precisely what filled the bottom. 6 is 2 over, and 5 is 1 over, giving 3 above. 2 is 2 short, and 3 is 1 short, giving 3 below. The mean is where those two balance. So the mean is the height the data settles to when you level it. Only moving is allowed, so the total is preserved. And that is why the height comes out as the total divided by how many. Next time, why one representative value is not enough. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.